Hello, class. My name is Yolanda Johnson, and welcome to the Generalist Practice field for the field of social work. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and just to jump right in, three things about me that would help all of us in pursuing or furthering our education in social work. One thing is, I do have an undergrad in social work. Social work has always been something that I've wanted to do. Even as a child, I've always liked to help people. So working in the helping profession was something that really just was laid out for me. So I think that's one of the reasons why I aspire to be even better at social work or working in this helping profession. Another thing about me is I currently work for the Department of Family and Children Services. I work in the field of foster care. However, the field of foster care that I work in, I also do CPS, which is Child Protective Services. So I engage a lot with families that are experiencing a lot of trauma. I engage with children that have experienced trauma. So I have a lot of insight when it comes to working in child welfare. And another thing that is really good or sets the standards of me being a student is I'm eager to learn. I want to learn more theories. I like psychology, and I think that me being eager to better myself and humble myself in this profession is definitely something that's beneficial, not just to me but also to my peers and my coworkers, because this is a practice and every day things are changing. We're learning new diagnoses. The DSM-5 is increasing, so I think that that's also beneficial. Thank you guys, and I look forward to meeting you all. Have a good one.